Hey, what's up? This is MC Poetic Tendency. What's the difference between a switchblade and a spring-assisted knife? Well, the switchblade, an OTF version, has the mechanism on the handle. That is an OTF switchblade version, fully automatic. The next version is a normal side opening switchblade, button release. Right in the handle. That's a button release, normal switchblade. This is called a dual action. It operates just like a normal switchblade, but also as a normal knife, because there's one little hidden secret right there, that it's a switchblade, but under normal conditions it works as a normal knife. This is another version of a dual action. See, notice, but there is a hidden release right in the handle. Now the difference between all those three are that they have, or all have, the hidden release and the button in the handle. With a spring-assisted knife, there is no button in the handle. It's triggered by this thumb stud that protrudes on the blade, and it helps propel the knife open. All right in the thumb stud. All right in the thumb stud. This one has a flipper on the back, but still is a part of the blade. So therefore it too is a spring-assisted knife. And there you go. That's MC Poetic Tendency, telling you the difference between switchblades and spring-assisted knives.